So today I'm going to show you how you can create a repository on GitHub and work on it in your machine. So when you log into your GitHub account, if you click on the icon, you can see the list of your repositories here, down here. So from here we go click new to create a new repository and give it a name. Let's call this one YouTube tutorial, and make sure you checkbox the add a readme file here. Create repository. So it has created a repository on your GitHub account. Now this is the name. From here we're going to create an issue. We click on that and the new issue, and we will give it a title like this is our first issue, and you can leave a comment here as well. We submit the issue, and if you go back, click on it, we have created a new issue. Then we click on it again and we can assign somebody to this issue. If you type somebody's name here or username, you can find them in the list below. At the moment I'm going to assign it to myself, so I have been assigned to this issue. We go back to code now, and from here we copy the address, the link here, by clicking on the copy. Then we open our Windows Explorer and create a new folder. Right click, new folder. We'll call it YouTube, for example. Then I will open the git bash here, and we will follow that path on Windows Explorer here. So at the moment we are in the folder test, and we say cd and YouTube. So now we are in the folder. Here I will type git clone and right click and paste the address. Click enter, and it will clone that repository inside our folder. From here I need to go inside the folder, see the YouTube tutorial. So now I am inside the folder and I'm working on the main branch. We want to create a new branch, so if I say git branch --4, you can see we have only main branch here. So I would say, or type git branch, and I will give it a name, my branch. Hit enter. So now if I git branch --all, I can see my branch has been added. So now I can say git checkout, sorry, my branch, and now we are working on my branch. So from here I'm going to say type code space dot. It will open our Visual Studio or the editor you have. So it will open the readme file inside it, and if I click on that one, at the moment there is nothing in here, so I can press enter, just add some line. This is our first line in the readme file. I save this, Ctrl S, close, or just leave it there, it doesn't matter. So if I say get status, you can see we have a file, a readme file. Something has changed inside it. So I'm going to git add space dot. It will add this one to our staging area. So I will say git commit dash dash m. This is our first commit all. Better than that, add some lines to readme file. We get to get the status again, so everything looks fine. From here, I'm going to push these changes to the repository. So I'm going to type git push dash dash set dash upstream space origin and the name of our branch, which is my branch. And it's going to push our changes to the GitHub repository. And as you can see, it has been pushed up here. So now we have main branch and my branch. As you can see, this is the line has been added to our readme file. From here, I go and compare and pull request, and if you come down, you can see your changes here. This is the line has been added to it. So we click on create pull request. It is going to create a pull request for us, and when we are happy with all the changes, we are going to merge pull request and compare merge. And if you go back to our code, you can see this is our main branch. The line is here, has been added as it was inside my branch. So this was a short tutorial about how you can create a repository on GitHub, bring it on your machine, work on it, and push it back, and create a pull request and merge it to your main branch.